Welcome to Immature Designer. Today we will be talking about this very interesting website which I discovered very recently. It's called Jumper.com. From this website you can rent and book apartments or houses, and this is a very beautiful website. So as soon as you land on this particular website, you will be seeing search by city or neighborhood and post a listing. So post a listing if you are someone who want to rent your apartment, and otherwise search if you are someone who want to rent an apartment. From over here, you find favorites, alerts, applications, rentals, and all these options. Just look at this particular interface. This looks so attractive, like really these two person looking for an apartment. So a very nice landing page, and then you are having a particular video, and then over here they have shown that what are the popular cities at where this particular Jumper website is very active. So like New York City, Los Angeles, Chicago, Toronto, Ottawa. So these are the hottest cities. So you can just select one of them from wherever you are. If you go to Austin, then you'll see like they will show you the map of Austin and all the different places with the amount of money you would have to pay to live at those places. So this area I think is the cheapest, and this area is the most expensive area, and so short term or a long term. So look over here, it just asks you everything and filters you the thing that you are interested in. So let's just see short term, and in short term then they'll ask you start date, end date, then number of guests, and there you go, right? Now let's see. So there are so many listings, and over here they have said like you see that the same size of the card, and it's like it has filled a space and very differently. Like they have not given a separate separate block for this particular thing. They have used this particular space itself. Next, moving on over here, you can see that there are so many houses. This one looks really good with 1 to 3 beds, 1 to 2 baths, and these are called Nolina flats. Okay, these are debit Soko. So if you go to Nolina flats, you can see over here, you can click on this card and then they will bring you this. Now you can see that they are provided with pictures and videos, and then they have also given you the option to save. And then from over here you can see that what are the address and what are the offers available. Then there's a book a tour as well, so you can select a date when you want to visit that particular place and then see it. If you like it, you can book it, right? Then the amenities that Nolina Flats provides, like car, and they are showing the policies and the fees that they will be taking. And then they are also giving you the floor plans. So there are 2-3 houses of Nolina Flats, apartments of Nolina Flats, but which one do you want? You want a 1 bedroom, you want 2 bedroom, or you want 3 bedrooms? So if you want 3 bedrooms, they are showing you that these are 3 bedrooms. These two are 3 bedrooms, in which these are the 2 different floor plans. Then you can check out the floor plans by clicking on them. From here you're getting, and you see the house and you see the plan itself over here. So if you like it, you can then book a visit. So it's very nice trick to actually call your help you make decisions, and then check availability. And over here you can post everything, write a small message as well, and send it to the person who is the owner. And then they have also shown the price trend, so you can actually analyze, giving like all the information to analyze as well, to take your decision analytically. And then what are getting around Austin, so car friendly, pedestrian friendly. They have given some details around that particular area. Sometimes people think that what are the transportation requirements. So from here you can see everything: floor plans, contact, rents, point of interest, and explore the area. So point of interest, explore the area, so you can see different things that are nearby, and this would be your house. And from the here itself you can just switch to different apartments, so you don't have to go back, close everything, and then search from a video, right? So I think this particular website is very nicely designed. If I'll attach the link of this website in the description, just go and check it out, and you can know and understand how you can design you a very good UX.